Oh, what is going on, guys? We back, wrenching on the Beemer. And what we're doing today is just cleaning out the boots of the Beemer. Why is it so... Anyway, cleaning out the boots, and then we're gonna put the battery in to see if, well, not even if, see if it catches on fire, number one. Number two, see what the actual odometer reading is on this car, because we don't know. So, that's what we're doing.
This doesn't make sense. Look at
The
this.
battery's inside, but we don't know what's going on. That's odd. What
It
the
doesn't make
hell?
sense because that smacks up against that. Look.
Odd. Very odd. So the battery's in. I know, that's what I said. The battery's in. No fires. So that's a good start. Where's your key? You need your key.
Yeah?
Yeah. Press this thing. There should be a little button. Press that button on there. The left. Far left there.
Oh, shit!
City.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad.
That's not good.
Oh,
That's not good.
that's bad.
Well. That took a turn.
Oh, balls, man.
Oh well. At least the car doesn't catch on fire. It is time, boys and girls, to put the motor into the car. After struggling for like hours on the downpipes and everything else, and just general nonsense in BMWs, this steering column thing, magodge, yeah, no comments. But anyway, motor inside. So I guess just put some time lap on and get the motor in the bay.
Can you try and push it toward my side? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got a clip in there.
This is what you call R&D
Prototyping.
from scratch. You know you can buy the parts, but what's the fun in that?
You just fucking print them.
Oh, I think this should do absolute wonders. And what this is for is this little boychi right here, which slides over this guy over here. It's like some sort of stabilizer, bushing nonsense, what BMW things. But yeah, that slides over there, and we need a bracket to hold it onto the Beemer. So, so this is gonna slot in there. We're gonna do some polyurethane and put it on then onto the car. As you guys saw, we 3D printed a bracket, because race cars need brackets, and it fits like a glove. Look at this fitment. That is insane. So we're just going to drill through the sides here. We're going to put some riv nuts, and look at this. It's absolutely perfect. Oh, that's incredible. I love it when things work. It is amazing. I think I left off the last time when we installed the N54 What a mess, but we got it done. So, on today's episode, we are just going to be doing odds and ends. You're going to see a whole bunch of videos I'm going to put in from what we've done. We've made some parts, we've done some things. So, just some odds and ends. PCV valve clean, some wiring hacks, just some odds and ends. So, that's what today's going to be. Just so we can eventually get this thing ready to start. So, that's what we're going to be doing today.
Really like a gamer, very like hardcore gamer.
Let me see if I maybe. Oh, I think it's just fucking dirty and lodged inside there, bro. I would like to take it. Look at those threads. That's odd.
This is a tiny operation, bro.
It's always fun doing gearbox service, isn't it? Looks like you're having so much fun there, J-Mo.
Yeah. So tight squeezy.
That's what he said.
That's going on.
There we go. Giving the gearbox some TLC. Even the little flipping thing says lifetime oil. Nonsense.
Ooh.
Ooh. Hello.